You gonna stay like that forever?
Uh-huh. What are you doing?
Because you're just supposed to be vacuuming up hairballs.
No, I said you're supposed to take a picture.
Yeah. Your point?
In other words, it's not on. It just looks like I'm doing work.
And here we shall get the lovely Mercury 113 vacuum. And we cut off Courtney's hair. Now she's dancing with it. Oh no, she destroyed it! Wow. Let's see some pointed toe ballet. No follower. Whoa, wild woman.
See all the dust that went flying?
Now you gotta vacuum again.
Yeah, I know.
Don't get me! Good job, Courtney.
Get back to work.
Nope.
See, I'm doing all the work around here, and you're just sitting listening to your favorite music.
I'm working on
video.
paper.
No, you're not. You're sitting videotaping me.
Well, I was working on my paper. I got it over half done. Well, at least I'm more disciplined than you. Where you going, beauty queen? Oh, I thought you hung in a...
Close it. Sort of.
We won't tell mommy and daddy.